Is inflation in the US actually caused by people spending too much? The head of the Federal Reserve says no. The real culprit, tariffs. Jerome Powell just dropped a major update. He says the high inflation we are seeing right now isn't because of high demand. It's because of the taxes or tariffs placed on imported goods. Powell explained that prices for services are actually cooling down. That's the good news. But the goods sector like electronics and cars, it is seeing a massive spike because those extra tariff costs are being passed straight to the people. This is a huge moment for global trade. While the world watches the US trade policy, the Fed is making it clear. Inflation is being driven by policy, not just by people buying things. The tariff trap is officially hitting the middle class where it hurts most. Anything imported, from snacks to the parts and car, has seen a massive price jump. Not just luxury items, the daily essentials like food and household goods too. Electronics and auto parts have become so expensive that the middle class is struggling just to stay afloat. The burden of these tariffs hasn't stayed with the big companies. It's been passed directly to the consumers. Even Jerome Powell admits it. Inflation is peaking right now because of these tariffs. The purchasing power is shrinking and the average citizen is paying the price. Trump signaled that this move would lower the tax burden on American citizens. The idea was to make foreign countries pay while the citizens kept more of their paycheck. But here's what's actually happening. Economists and the Federal Reserve are reporting that the burden has flipped. Not only are the American citizens still paying income tax, but they're also paying more for groceries, electronics, and cars. For the middle class, it is no tax relief, but higher prices. Trump is using tariffs as his ultimate weapon in 2026. But is it a brilliant move for the US or a global trade war? Trump argues that higher tariffs do three things. They bring in billions in tax revenue for the government, they force Americans to buy made in USA, they bring manufacturing jobs back home. His goal? To fix the trade deficit. He believes other countries have been looting and cheating America for decades. By taxing imports, he wants to flip the script and make sure America sells as much as it buys. But here's the twist. Trump is using tariffs as a bargaining chip for national security. When the US sneezes, the world catches a cold, and India is no exception. With the US being our top trading partner, their new trade policies are a big deal for every Indian. The US isn't just a neighbor, it's our biggest customer. So when the US talks about inflation or tariffs, India's economy feels the shockwaves immediately. But it's not all bad news. India is fighting back by signing the mother of all deals with the European Union. We are diversifying to stay strong. In a world of trade wars, India is proving that trade is like water. It always finds its own course. The world of trade is changing faster than ever. Is Trump's tariff weapon a stroke of genius that will eventually pay off, or is it a historical mistake that will isolate the US forever? And more importantly, is India ready to lead this new global order? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like and follow for more deep dives into the stories shaping our world. Thanks for watching.